I'm Somya. I'm an associate faculty member at UNC Greensboro Computer Science. I'm also the co-director of Institute of Data Evaluation and Analytics. So just to give you a little bit of a background on this project, I was actually involved in, as a faculty member, developing curricula for our newly established informatics and analytics program. So this was about 2 years ago that we wanted to figure out which courses should be included as a part of informatics and analytics program, and also as a part of our data science concentration that we have in our department. The question basically became okay, whom do we know who knows a lot of people who offer courses that are similar in concept of data science, right? So that becomes a little tricky. So we wanted to take a quantitative approach to see if we can figure out what courses are related to data science using data science techniques. So that's where this whole project kind of started. In a particular university, you have this course description, right? So basically, we wanted to develop an automated model which can analyze these course descriptions, and especially the words and the sequence of words that are present in these course descriptions, to the ultimate goals of, okay, so let's say if we have 5,000, 10,000 courses in a university, which topic or domains do these courses fall under? What are the similarities between courses? What are dissimilarities between courses? So if we aggregate higher, what profiles formulate for different departments and for their colleges? And then as a university, then we can compare what are some of the underlying gaps in a particular university, and what are the difference or overlaps between universities also. So if we look at it, UNCG has about, I would say 3,000 to 4,000 courses. So there are about 1,600 graduate courses and about 2,000 undergraduate courses. So we have this data, and if you can think about it, no human can basically read through all of these courses and just figure out, okay, which are data science and which are non-data science. So that's where the whole quantitative approach kind of comes in. So this is the distribution of these different courses. So UNCG has a different profile than engineering or more science oriented universities. So we emphasize a lot on departments such as history, biology, teachers education. All of those have very high number of courses and much more active in the area. And you can see the distribution of graduate and undergraduate courses and introductory courses in these different departments. The problem that we have is basically the course descriptions. So at UNCG, we are limited to 30 words only for the course description. And if you include prerequisites and co-requisites description in that course description, it really shortens up what information you are able to provide in that particular course description. So we maybe have about 20 to 25 words to figure out what is the context of this course, right? So taking that further, our approach basically was to take all of these courses, do some pre-processing and basic natural language processing, and then take that processed course description and feed it through two different models. So they are staged. One extracts the topic out of a course description. So a course description will be linked to a particular set of topics. And then we take those topics and the course descriptions and basically group them higher into like hierarchies of topics. And that's kind of where we get to like a mapping of course descriptions that are present at a university. So here we are using a very well-known technique called topic modeling, where if you have course descriptions, which are a set of words that are present in any document, you look at their inherent frequencies of words that are present across different documents to figure out, okay, which documents could fall under a particular topic. So we are kind of grouping these courses into these different topics and binning them into these different topic groups. Now, the interesting part that happens over here is each course has a distribution of topics. That means that each course can be linked to different topics. And then each topic has a set of courses that are linked to them. So it's kind of a bi-directional distribution that we can take a look at. So just taking a look at the topics that form out of graduate courses at UNCG, we evaluated a large number of possible topics, and we kind of concluded that about 25 topics are a good enough measure to kind of distribute all of the courses out. And for each topic, there are a set of keywords that kind of highlight individual topics. So this is the set of 25 topics that were learned through about 2,000 courses, 2,000 graduate course descriptions, and these are the keywords that formulate for those topics. So you can see that these topics are a little bit unique on their own, and then each of these topics can be related to the courses that are present at the university level, right? So, so for example, this course has a dominant topic of number 4. Here are the keywords of the topic, and here is the description of the actual course. So a course is linked to a topic, and also the topic can be linked to multiple courses. So we take this further. So we take this to the second stage where we say that we want to map this into a network-based graph where the nodes are either the courses or they can be a topic. And a course is related to a topic with a similarity score. So we kind of evaluate how similar is this course description to a topic, and we associate an edge from the course node to the topic node. So what kind of works out is something similar to this example, where a course might be related to multiple topics, and they might have edge weight or a similarity score between them. And for example, this is a gray topic cluster that is forming, and here could be a community of courses and topics which form into another group, right? This is something that we want to analyze in order to see what domain areas form from these courses, and then from the topics, and then from the higher level topics that form out of it, which we call as super topics in the sense. So to look at the data, this is what the entire mapping of courses of the almost 2,000 courses looks like for UNCG at the graduate level. So each node, the small nodes that you see over here are courses. They are all linked to topics. And of course, each course can have different topics that it can be linked to. And what we are able to do is, again, group these communities of topics and courses together into these super clusters, which is identified by these colors that you see over here. So just to give you an idea, so these are the topics that were formed, and these were the clusters, super clusters that were formed from these topic areas. And if we look over here, so we were able to identify that topic number 1, 2, and 21, which have these words, right? And they were assessed as these super topic clusters kind of fall into the data science domain, right? So again, this was done qualitatively by analyzing these smaller number of topics, but then we were able to identify that these this supercluster number 5 are the courses which are, or are the topics which are related to data science. Now we take this and map them out. So this is a more cleaner graph where you can see topic 2, 21, and 1, which forms the mapping of the data science cluster. And we take this and these courses, because topics are related to courses, so we can figure out what courses are most similar to that supercluster that we identified as data science. So if we look at this further, these are the courses from the Department of Mathematics and Statistics. So these courses, which are mostly statistical courses, are related to the data science cluster. They do have other statistical courses which are not that similar to the data science cluster. This is from Department of Computer Science. So 605 is actually Introduction to Data Science. So all of these courses are related to data science mostly. We also evaluated educational research methodology, which had some data science related courses. MSIA, which is our informatics and analytics program, which of course had some data science courses. And we also wanted to analyze other departments, which you would think are not data science related, and to see if they fall under the category of data science, or if they have any courses which are related to data science. So if we took a look at the English department and their course offering, and you can see over here, their course offerings are widely dissimilar to this particular topic area. So they are mostly related on this side. We took this further. So we wanted to analyze per department, what courses do they offer which are related to the concepts of data science. So to our surprise, educational research methodology, statistics, teachers education, mathematics, computer science. So this is the order in which the courses that they offer are data science related courses. And if we take the ratio of the courses offered to the courses that were the courses that are data science related to the total number of courses that they offer, statistics of course pops up. And then ERM, HHS, which is health and human sciences, supply chain management, which is from the business school, sociology, and then computer science comes into the picture. Sorry, go ahead. Was there a question?
Nope, I think you're good. Keep going.
Okay.
All right.
And we are able to identify what courses are related to data science. So you can see that these are the course descriptions, and these are the course titles, which are most related to data science. From statistics, this is from educational research methodology. So I'll give you a second to analyze this. And this is from computer science. And this is from health and human sciences. Okay, so I'm gonna stop sharing this thing right now and reshare something else, which we just came up with quite recently. So this is a simple dashboard that we built for Georgia State University, where we are also analyzing their course descriptions to figure out what topics and what emergent data science courses are being offered. So we can basically do a keyword search and figure out, okay, what courses do they offer, which departments offer them, and basically pop up what course descriptions really match the keywords that are basically given as a search term to this dashboard. Again, a very preliminary prototype of a dashboard, but we believe that this could be useful as a student's tool to figure out electives, the courses that they want to take in a particular domain, or the courses that are interdisciplinary that they can find out. So here we are using large pre-trained language models to figure out the topics and then the groupings above them. But that's where we are. Okay. I'm gonna stop sharing.